Welcome to Beginner to Fluent. When people think about learning English, they often focus on speaking, reading, or writing. They try to memorize words, study grammar rules, and practice sentences. While all of these are important, there is one skill that is often overlooked, but it is one of the most powerful tools for learning any language. That skill is listening. Listening may seem simple, but it plays a very important role in improving your English. It helps you understand the language, learn new words, and speak more naturally. In this video, we will explore why listening matters so much, how it helps you improve, and how you can use it effectively in your daily life. The first and most important benefit of listening is that it helps you understand English more clearly. When you listen carefully, your brain starts recognizing words, sounds, and sentence patterns. At first, you may not understand everything. You may only catch a few words here and there. But with regular listening, something amazing happens. Your brain slowly becomes familiar with the language. Words that once sounded confusing start to become clear. Sentences that once felt fast and difficult start to feel easier. This process happens naturally. You do not need to force it. You just need to listen regularly. Listening is one of the best ways to learn new vocabulary. When you read words in a book, you see them. But when you hear them, you experience how they are actually used in real conversations. You learn how words sound, how they are pronounced, how they are used in sentences. For example, you might learn a word from a book, but when you hear it in a conversation, you understand its real meaning and usage better. Listening helps you remember words more easily because you hear them in context. Another important benefit of listening is improving your pronunciation. When you listen to native speakers or clear English audio, you hear the correct way to say words. You learn the correct sounds, the rhythm of speech, the natural flow of sentences. By repeating what you hear, you can improve your own pronunciation. This helps you sound more natural when you speak. Listening regularly also helps you develop a better accent. Accent is not about copying someone perfectly. It is about speaking clearly and naturally. When you listen to English often, your brain becomes used to the sounds and patterns of the language. Over time, your own speaking style improves. You begin to sound more confident and understandable. Listening also plays a big role in building confidence. When you understand what others are saying, you feel more comfortable in conversations. You are not confused. You are not lost. You are able to follow the discussion. This makes you more confident to respond and share your thoughts. Confidence grows when understanding improves. Good listening skills make conversations much easier. Communication is not only about speaking, it is also about understanding. If you cannot understand what someone says, it becomes difficult to respond. But when your listening skills are strong, you can understand questions quickly, follow conversations easily, respond more accurately. This makes communication smooth and natural. Many people want to improve their speaking, but they forget that speaking starts with listening. Before you can speak well, you need to hear how the language works. Listening gives you sentence structure, common phrases, natural expressions. When you listen regularly, your brain stores this information. Then, when you speak, your brain uses what it has learned. This makes your speaking more natural and fluent. Listening also helps you learn faster. When you combine listening with other skills like reading and speaking, your progress becomes quicker. For example, you hear a word. You recognize it in reading. You use it in speaking. This repetition strengthens your learning. Listening connects all parts of language learning. You do not need special tools to practice listening. You can start with simple steps. Listen to easy English content. Watch videos with clear speech. Listen to short conversations. Repeat what you hear. You can practice anywhere. While walking. While traveling. While relaxing. Even a few minutes of daily listening can make a big difference. At the beginning, listening may feel difficult. You may not understand much. You may feel confused. This is normal. Do not give up. Keep listening every day. Slowly, your understanding will improve. The most important thing is consistency. Listening once in a while will not help much. But listening every day, even for a short time, creates strong progress. Make listening a daily habit. Listening is one of the most important skills in learning English. It helps you understand better, learn new words, improve pronunciation, and speak more confidently. Strong listening skills make communication easier and help you learn faster. Remember, listening is not just hearing, it is learning. So start today. Listen a little. Practice daily. Stay consistent. And over time, you will see real improvement. Because when you listen carefully, you don't just hear English. You begin to understand it, use it, and live it. Thanks for watching.